If you've ever wanted to turn a PowerPoint presentation into a clean CapCut video, this tutorial is for you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to insert PowerPoint slides in CapCut, step by step, so you can build a polished video without a complicated editing workflow. This is perfect for tutorials, business presentations, school projects, or any content where you want your slides to look smooth and professional inside CapCut. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials, just like this one. It really helps the channel grow and it tells me to make more videos like this. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open your PowerPoint presentation. Once your slides are ready and you're happy with how everything looks, go to the export options. Instead of just keeping the file as a standard PowerPoint, you'll want to export the slides as PNG images. When you do this, make sure you select all slides, so every slide in your presentation gets saved individually. This is important because each slide will become its own image file, which makes it much easier to place them into CapCut one by one. After the export is complete, go to the folder where your slide images were saved. You should now see all of your PowerPoint slides as separate PNG files. At this point, you can also use MP4 if you've already converted your presentation into a video. But for most users, PNG slides give you more control inside CapCut because you can adjust the timing of each slide manually. Now open CapCut on your PC. Once CapCut launches, click Create Project to start a new editing timeline. This opens your workspace where you'll be building your video. Next, look to the top left area of the screen and find the Media panel. Inside that panel, click Import. This will open your file browser where you can locate the folder containing your exported slide images or your MP4 video. Once you're in the correct folder, select all the slide files by pressing Ctrl and A on your keyboard, then click Open. CapCut will bring all of those PowerPoint slides into the media bin, ready to be used in your project. Now comes the part where you build the actual sequence. From the media bin, drag and drop your imported images directly down onto the main track of your timeline. CapCut will place them in order, so your presentation flows from the first slide to the last. If the order isn't perfect, you can easily rearrange the clips by dragging them left or right. After the slides are on the timeline, you may notice that each one has a default duration. To change how long a slide appears on screen, just grab the outer edge of any image clip and drag it left or right. If you make the clip longer, that slide stays visible for more seconds. If you shorten it, the slide moves faster. This is really useful if some slides need extra time for reading, while others can move quickly. Once your timing is set, you can make the video look more polished by adding transitions. Go to the Transitions tab at the top of CapCut. Here you'll see a variety of transition styles you can use between slide clips. Choose a professional-looking transition such as mix or fade, then drop it between your slide clips. This helps your presentation flow more smoothly and avoids harsh cuts between slides. You do not need to overdo transitions. In fact, simple and clean effects usually look best for PowerPoint-style videos. A subtle fade or mix transition keeps the viewer focused on the content instead of the editing. If your presentation is for a business, school, or educational video, this polished style works especially well. At this point, your PowerPoint slides are successfully inside CapCut, your timing is adjusted, and your transitions are in place. You can now continue editing by adding music, voiceover, captions, or any extra elements you want to include in your final video. That's the beauty of this workflow. You can take a normal slide deck and turn it into a full video project with just a few simple steps. So to quickly recap, export your PowerPoint slides as PNG files. Open CapCut and create a new project. Import the slide images into the media panel. Drag them onto the timeline, adjust each slide duration by resizing the clips, and then add professional transitions like fade or mix for a smoother result. If this tutorial helped you learn how to insert PowerPoint slides in CapCut, please give this video a like, subscribe for more step-by-step editing tutorials, and check out the next video on your screen for more CapCut tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.